We have 5 ways which you can make money with your Facebook account. And in this video, I'm going to review those 5 ways which you can be doing right now with your Facebook account and you'll be making money with it. Being a page or a profile. You can also use your Facebook profile account and make money if you don't know. A lot of people think that it is only with Facebook page that you can make money with Facebook. No, you can also use your Facebook profile account and make money on Facebook. So in this video, I'm going to review those 5 ways which you can be doing right now with your Facebook account and be making money for yourself. So if that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across my channel, I am NupeflaverTV. In this channel, we teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, please do well to hit that subscribe button so that when it will drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me review 5 ways which you can start doing right now and be making massive money with your Facebook page or your Facebook profile account. Now, the first one on our list for today is what we call content monetization. Yeah, a lot of people know that you can make money through content monetization. But how can you get this content monetization? How can you make money on content monetization? Content monetization itself involves 3 to 4 ways which you can earn money on content monetization. That is, if you are monetized on content monetization, you can earn money through your pictures. By you posting your pictures on Facebook, you'll be earning money from it. By you writing text or everything you write on Facebook, you are also going to be paid. By you posting long videos, you are also going to be paid. By you posting short videos, 15-second videos, 1-minute videos, you are also going to be paid. So these are 4 ways you can make money through content monetization on Facebook. And for you to be able to be monetized on content monetization on Facebook, you need to meet up with their criteria. And what are their criteria? The 4 criteria to make money on content monetization is that you have to have nothing less than 60,000 watch hour. That is 60,000 watch minutes in 30 days, in 90 days. And you need to have at least nothing less than 1,000 subscribers on your profile, be Facebook page or your Facebook profile account. You need at least 1,000 followers and you must also follow their policy. Yes, Facebook have their own monetization policy. You can go to your Facebook account and go and check it out. So a lot of people right now, people like me also, is using content monetization to make money on Facebook. So what you just need to do, just get a profile and you start creating content, posting your pictures, you write something, you write text, you post videos, original videos. You post your original content like videos and everything. And when you add all those criteria, Facebook is going to send you monetization invite, which you set up and you get monetized and you start making money on Facebook. So that is one of the best ways you can start making money on Facebook, through content monetization. Yes. Now the second one on our list for today is what we call stars. Yes, you can also earn money with stars on Facebook. But in Africa right now, like Nigeria, you cannot earn money with stars. But in other developed countries, they can earn money with stars. Facebook will give you opportunity where your fans, your followers will send you stars. Maybe you are on live, they can send you stars, and these stars you can convert into money and you can withdraw. Yes, you can also earn money through stars on Facebook, but that is not available right now in Nigeria, in my country. But other countries like US and other developed countries, they earn money through stars. Now, the third one on our list for today is what we call through subscription. You can also make money on Facebook through subscription, and this is where your audience subscribe to your channel, subscribe to your page, so that they will be getting latest videos you drop. Every time they request for a video, you drop a video about that and you are going to be paid. Those your subscriber will subscribe to your platform, to your page, and they will pay you for the subscription, and you also use this as a means of earning money on Facebook. You can also earn money on subscription, but it is not available right now in Nigeria and in Africa. But if you are in developed country like US and other countries, you can earn money on subscription. Yes, it's working in other countries, but it's not available right now in my country, Nigeria. Now the fourth way you can also earn money on Facebook is through brand partnership. And this is a method where you partner with a lot of brands, with top brands, you create content for them, you post those content, you tag them. You are going to see on your Facebook page where you are going to tag big brands that are willing to pay you, or that are willing to pay you for making videos for them about their brand, about their product. When you make these videos, you post for them and they are willing to pay you for posting those videos, or for posting those texts or content or even images of those brands on your page. And to achieve this, you need a large audience, you need followers, because no brand will give you their content or give you work to post on your page if they did not see you with followers, if they did not see you with engagement, or how your page is moving. So you need large followers, you need engagement that will make this brand to give you partnership of their brand to work with. No brand will give you that. So you need large audience to do this. And if you have a lot of audience, a lot of brands will reach out to you just to make a video about their brand, or just to partner with you and be posting their product on your page, and those brands are ready to pay you big amount of money. So you can also earn money through brand partnership on Facebook. Now, the last but not the least, which is the fifth one, is through affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you don't even need large audience. You don't need to get monetized before you start earning money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is you promoting other people's product on your page, like people on Amazon, Jumia, and people selling products like clothes, bag, all those things. You post it on your page, you put their affiliate link. When you put those affiliate links, when people buy this product, you earn commission. You don't need to buy the product, you don't even have to see the product. All you just have to do, you can go to Amazon, Jumia, Seller. There are a lot of affiliate platforms that are willing to give you their product. All you just have to do, you register on those platforms, you copy their affiliate link, and after you copy their affiliate link, you post those things on your page, and when people see those things on your page and they like it, they are going to buy it. And when they buy it, you are going to be earning commission for every product you sell, every product people buy through your link. This is another way you can also earn money here on Facebook. So if you are looking for how to be earning money on Facebook, these 5 methods which I just reviewed right now, you can try any of it, and you can be making daily income, monthly income for yourself through your Facebook account, being profile or page. So you can try any of it. The first one is content monetization. The second one is stars, which is not available in Nigeria. The third one is subscription, is also not available in Nigeria. And the fourth one is through partner brand. And the last but not the least is through affiliate, which is the most simplest way you can make money here on Facebook, which you don't need large followers. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.